Located in Shenzhen, China, Shenzhen Yikoo Technology Co Limited specializes in electronic products such as dash camera, car DVR, action camera, doorbell camera. With strong capital and technical support, we have a group of experienced and passionate staff members and a professional and innovative R&D team to research and design products which make us exclusive in car DVR industry. Our products export to over 50 countries and regions, especially Europe, USA, Russia, Southeast Asia, etc. We are confident to be a reliable partner. Our cooperative factories have our own SMT production lines and assembly lines, up to 150 employees and monthly output 200,000 pieces, and launch 6 new models every month. With such strong R&D ability and strict QC management, we could supply the high-quality products and professional OEM, ODM service, and establish the cooperation with many international famous companies and agents. Welcome to place orders. Our company provides products in strict quality, short delivery time, competitive price, and more professional service. All products will be tested before shipment, low defective rate, and great feedbacks from our customers. At the same time, we attended Canton Fair, Hong Kong Electronic Fair, Global Source Fair, CES, etc. every year. We are trying our best to get more cooperation and friendship for all partners throughout the world. We always insist a win-win strategy to our customers and offer better service to meet customers' needs. Your satisfaction is our pursuit. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together.